Hey, Tom, what do you think of this news? Certainly in light of the Alphabet news earlier this week, is this a good sign or a worrisome one?
Scott, I think Meta's move isn't surprising because Google had a lot of success raising $45 billion in a very short underwriting period. And I think it's a reminder that these AI companies are building basically, huge real estate infrastructures that aren't fully funded today. And that's why not only will SpaceX need to raise more money beyond its IPO, and OpenAI and Anthropic and, of course, Meta and Google, but I do think they're showing a lot of promise in their investment today because there's been significant breakthroughs. So I think investors are going to give them grace, but you're right. I think Stephanie's right. This is not Meta's sort of financial profile is changing. It's changing from a free cash harvesting from their prior businesses to one where they're building land that could end up being beachfront property.
What's this sell-off about today, Tom? Did Broadcom spook the market? Did they start this? Is it positioning ahead of SpaceX and the biggest IPO we've ever seen? Is it something else? What do you think?
Scott, I think a lot of this, for instance, memory stocks are down, but they're back to where they were 8 days ago. I think the market did have a parabolic lift in the last month. And now I think there's some sobering taking place because expectations are higher. But I also think that SpaceX, $75 billion is a lot to ask the public to fund. So I think it is a big lift in terms of how you're going to fund that purchase. And so I think now when the stock's wobbled a little bit, I think people are raising cash. I don't think that this is the start of a broader correction yet, but as you know, we do think that later this year there's going to be something that feels like a bear market. Today's not fun, though.